Alright, hey guys. Welcome to Barbell Sanctuary. This video is going to be shot on the run. And just so you know, I'm making this video for myself, but you can watch it if you want. What's happened with my channel the last 4 months or so? I've basically been kind of disappeared. Even my Instagram, I haven't been working out much. I'm going to give you the reasons. They're not valid excuses. It's just something that happened. It's something that happens to a lot of people is when you stop and it's hard to start up again. I got some pretty bad tennis elbow in both my elbows all at once. I've been fine for like 2 years of weightlifting, and then all of a sudden massive pain, both my elbows. And of course, like most men, I didn't go get professional help right away. I tried to fix it on my own. I would have been way better off if I would have right away booked an appointment to see my doctor and then go see a physiotherapist, which I ended up doing after about 4 months, and it is starting to get better. So now I want to get out of my rut. I'm making this video to say that because of, I don't want to say because, well, it is. This is, you know, when you're injured and you can't do what you usually do and what you've been used to doing the whole time, it's depressing. It's, you know, it takes a mental hit on you. And at first, you know, I kept, like, if you watch my videos back in the summer, I was running. So I was kind of doing stuff instead of weightlifting so that hopefully it would get better, kind of giving it a break. But, you know, now that I look back at that, that was the wrong approach. And then I kind of got out of weightlifting. And once you get out of your routine, oh boy, it is hard to get back into it. Yeah, I basically went about 4 months. I worked out maybe once every 2 weeks, or I'd try to get back into it. The elbows would flare up again. It's hard. And not working out, other stuff started creeping in. My anxiety started shooting up. Depression started coming back. You know, all the things that went away when I first started this fitness journey and lost all the weight, they were all coming back. So it was all like a compound effect. It's the same principle. Like when things are going good, they exponentially get better. Same thing in the reverse. When it starts going bad, you can't let it get to you because it's just going to get worse and worse and worse. And that's what's been happening. Now, most people start their fitness journey on January 1st. For myself, I was like, no, you know what? I can't do that. I got to do it before. So here it is, December 20th. And today I finally said, you know, enough is enough. I really didn't feel like working out. Yesterday I printed out my workouts. I made myself a plan, and I'm gonna stick to it whether I want to or not. It's not about motivation. I don't feel motivated. You have to do it. And I'm making this video partly to tell myself this because I know it, but you know, it's one thing to know what to do and the other thing to do it. Now, I only worked out once today, and I already, you know, it felt good. Tomorrow I just got to keep it up. For my program, I'm going to be following Greg Doucette's training, and I had bought his cookbook as well. So I'm going to be following some recipes and hopefully doing a video on that later after 30 days to show you the results. The only stipulations and rules I'm giving myself is I have to do something every day. So either weightlifting or cardio, and I can take a break or a day off from weightlifting anytime I want, but no more than 2 days in a row. So I'm going to start off doing lifting one day, cardio the next, lifting one day, cardio the next, and then when the weekend hits, if I know I'm going to be going cutting wood or doing something very physical, then maybe I'll just do cardio for 2 days in a row and then get back on the lifting. It's going to be full body workout every time I do it, same workout, and I'm going to go high rep, lower weights so I don't injure myself anymore. The elbows are doing really well. I'm doing my exercises from physio as well. Thank you for that. So hopefully this all gets cleared up, and I can start shedding some of the weight that I've gained, because, well, with anxiety and, you know, when you're not working out all the time, you're also usually not watching what you eat. I've put on maybe 20 pounds. A little embarrassing to say, but that's the reality, and I just wanted to share with everyone. I've put on about 20 pounds. But you know what the funny thing is that, like, I'm back up to 200 pounds right now, but I still look better than I did when I was 200 pounds before I started all this training. And part of that, I think, is you know, I didn't lose all my gains. I didn't lose all my muscle. The weight didn't come back on in the same places that it was before. Even if you fall off the wagon, you want to get back on, not all your gains are gone, and you know, you can get them back. I'm not worried about that. It's just, it's forcing myself. I want to get back to the point where I look forward to waking up and working out in the morning. I kind of wrecked my routine where now I get up and drink a pot of coffee basically before I go to work. But anyway, I just dropped off Emmett at Kids Yoga. Loves that. And now I'm just gonna go pick up a few groceries. Crooked here. While he's in there, I'm gonna get some stuff for salads and some meal prep and some healthy foods, my healthy snacks that I usually enjoy having, so that I can get back on track. So look forward to an update, probably weekly, and then I'll do a review on Greg Doucette's training, the Harder Than Last Time, and his cookbook. I forget what it's called. So if you want to see how it goes, and you know, you want to see how my journey getting back on the wagon goes, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.